Neha, yesterday you went for a walk, right? But you were also listening to an English podcast at the same time.
Yes, that's called killing two birds with one stone.
Wait, birds? Stones? You mean you actually?
No, it's just an idiom. Kill two birds with one stone means doing two things with one action. Example, I walked for exercise and improved my English listening. I killed two birds with one stone.
Now it's your turn. Write one example with kill two birds with one stone in the comments.